Hello, hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay. So today we are going to learn an poem, Aeroplane. It's on page number 32 from your rhymes textbook. So students, tell me, aeroplane is which transport? Air transport, water transport, or land transport? Aeroplane is an air transport. Okay? It flies in the air, and with the help of aeroplane we can travel from one place to other. It in that transport passengers sits. Yes, it's for passengers to travel. So today we are going to learn aeroplane's poem. So remove your textbook and let's start. Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky. Where are you going flying so high? Over the hills and over the sea. Aeroplane, aeroplane, please take me. Again we will repeat. Okay? Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky. Where are you going flying so high? Over the hills and over the sea. Aeroplane, aeroplane, please take me. So, this poem you have to learn. Okay? And do not forget to comment in time and do your homework daily. Okay? Thank you.